howdy. How y'all doing? This is Travel Comer, and I'm hoping you guys are having a great day. Have you ever wondered how the cuisine is at Aunt Granny's at Dollywood? Well, come join us right after this quick introduction. We were seated to the rear of the restaurant. Gave us a chance to walk through and see the beautiful decor. And what an ambiance. It felt like we were eating at a nice home-style restaurant. So we were given that QR code. My youngsters, well, they were ready to jump on and see that menu. We had to take a couple of seconds to figure out how to get that QR code scanned to find out what the menu was. So you may want to be prepared for that and say, hey, we're going to see our menu with a QR. Once we got our cell phones updated, it was just a quick click and we had our menu. The menu was very similar to the one shown outside. In fact, exactly the same. Service was quick. Very little wait time. They were giving us our rolls and our biscuits and ready to take our drink orders.
And did it? Okay, she got the menu. And we got any get your drink order while you're deciding?
Yes. What do y'all have for drinks?
We have Coke products, sweet tea, and lemonade.
Look at that. Fresh made biscuits and roll. They came aplenty. Look at that wonderful carved beef top round and that beef pot roast with chunky vegetables. Homemade chicken and dumplings.
Delicious.
Southern fried chicken. And that wonderful southern western herb baked chicken.
Right there.
And this is top round.
Okay.
This is the top round.
Right.
Look at these delights. Roasted Brussels sprouts, green beans, mac and cheese for sure, buttered sweet corn, and that southern fried cabbage. And now follow up with the choice of corn pudding, roasted red skin potato, pinto bean, creamy mashed potato with that beef gravy, and honey roasted sliced carrot. And the dessert, cinnamon bread pudding, seasonal cobbler, vanilla cupcakes, and maybe even a cookie.
Yes.
Okay, the answers are beef top round, southern fried chicken, herb baked chicken, beef pot roast, and homemade chicken and dumplings.
Now it's time to choose what you want to eat. For $23.49, we got 2 main dishes, 4 sides, a drink, and a dessert. For $1.50 more for each of us, we could have 3 main dishes. We chose to go that route.
Okay.
More the better.
And then 4 sides we get.
4 sides. So we're gonna want the mac and cheese.
We want the mashed potatoes and gravy.
There you go.
Oh, mashed potato and gravy would be good. I kind of wanted to try the corn pudding, but if we don't like it, then I don't.
So where are we at, guys?
Auntie Granny.
Auntie Granny's at Dollywood. It's supposed to be like the #1 place to eat in the world in the amusement parks. It's going to be really good. We got 3 main dishes. We got chicken and dumplings, baked chicken, and the last one was
Carved round beef.
carved round beef. Hope it's good. And then our sides are going to be mac and cheese, mac and cheese, and mac and cheese. I think we get 4 sides, so it'll be mac and cheese. No, we got mac and cheese, buttered corn, mashed potatoes and gravy, and the last one,
Mac and cheese. Pinto beans, I think.
oh, pinto beans, not mac and cheese. We did get mac and cheese though. Yeah, so we had to figure out what we had. Dessert, that'll come a little bit later on. Drinks come with it. We all got soda pop. Hey, I got Dr. Pepper. Oh, Mr. Pibb. We're back east. Yep, that's what that is. So let's go and have and enjoy our dinner. It's family style. So let's see how that family style comes out.
The wet breast is on the bottom.
I'll take the breast right there. I'm a breast man myself. Oh, we've got corn. We got some good corn. And pinto beans for sure.
pinto beans. Need a little dish all by itself on that one. Let's try some of this here. Okay. Mashed potatoes.
Get a little bit of everything that can.
Don't taste like they're
beef.
fake mashed potatoes or the flake ones. These taste like real mashed potatoes, like they've cooked them, boiled them up, squished them up, put some good gravy on it. Roast beef, a little bit of gravy on it. Tender, delicious. That's really good too. I'm ready to go with this.
What's tender though?
And the chicken. That's the telltale, isn't it?
Good. Can we get more biscuits?
Standard breast. Not too juicy.
Those beans are really good. Those are really good.
And you dip it in something and then eat it. So far, very good.
Thank you.
Resort. It was really good. So we went with the baked chicken this time. Lots of flavoring in it, lots of seasoning. I really can't tell what the seasoning is. Certainly salt and pepper. There's some herbs in it, but I can't tell what herbs. But very delicious on there. And again, we finished it all up, so it must have been good. Put some chicken dumplings on there. I'm gonna grab that dumpling. Oh wow. Hot, good, juicy. Chicken and dumplings, just absolutely wonderful, man. Very creamy, very delicious. Has a home taste to it. We brought us back memories of how my wife makes the chicken and dumpling, and the creaminess in it. Very much of a white sauce for sure, and done very well. Mac and cheese. My daughter says the best we've had on this trip, and we eat a lot of mac and cheese. So pretty good stuff. Let me talk about the beans here. A little bit of smoky taste, a little bit of tang to it. Very good. A taste of ham in it. Just absolutely a wonderful taste to it. Now, my wife and my kids are saying there's no tang, it's just smoky and hammy. Well, whatever the case may be, delicious. We just got the apple crisp right here. Taste of freshly cooked apples. Baked. The crisp is very sweet. And taste of cinnamon in it. Just absolutely wonderful. Do you know what would go good with this? Milk.
Ice cream.
And a dollop of ice cream. Vanilla. And stacked whipped cream about that high. Now that would be a dessert. Cinnamon bread pudding. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Take a little bite. Now we ate a lot of cinnamon bread here. Oh. Is that pecans?
Yeah.
Or walnut?
Pecans.
Absolutely delicious pecans on it.
Oh, give her my dessert back.
We're going to eat it before she gets her dessert back, so it's that good.
It's wonderful desserts. Oh, there's the cupcake. I could have got a cupcake.
Harry, how do you like it? You're eating.
It's really, really good. Everything's really, really good.
Everything's really good. Heard it from the expert.
We finished up our dessert. We headed out to enjoy the park. You know what? Subscribe. It's free. Hit that notification bell if you like this content, and give me a thumbs up. Just makes me feel good. This is a travel combo. signing off.